Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring a reliable connection and a recent backup. That prevents rollback panic. Once connected, plug in power if on a laptop, then open Settings and navigate to Windows Update. Make sure optional updates are visible. Click Check for updates to fetch the latest build. While it scans, close heavy apps to free resources. The system catalogs available feature and quality updates. This initial step triggers download preparation and shows whether a restart will be required. Once an update appears, you choose Download to start the transfer. Priority is feature updates first if present. While downloading, keep your device awake and avoid bandwidth contention. Pause cloud syncs if needed. After download completes, click Install. The installer prepares system files and applies changes in stages. During this phase, you'll see progress percentages and sometimes multiple restarts. Make sure to save work. Once the setup moves into the offline phase, the machine will reboot to finalize system file replacement. After the final reboot, sign in and confirm the new version under Settings About and Windows Update History. That verifies success. If something failed, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first to fix common issues automatically. Once done, make sure drivers are current via Device Manager and reinstall any critical apps if necessary. If the system won't boot or behaves badly, use System Restore or the rollback option within 10 days to revert. Keep backups handy. That single troubleshooting tip saves time and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.